police had to be called on today to rescue 2 alleged homosexuals.
All eyes.
No fault for that boy. So I will say woman to man, straight.
There was a commotion in Mandeville, Manchester today as residents clashed with a man they believe to have been a homosexual.
Yesterday, the man has sit on in a man lap, we don't support it. 100%. The bag of gating where they might bring on, we don't support it none at all.
Literally hundreds of persons converged in the parking lot of the Young's Plaza in Maypen Saturday evening as news spread that a gay man had sought refuge in a clothing store.
We don't want none of them in this town here.
We live knowing that the probability of us being killed is very high.
Dwayne Jones was a transgender youth who was chased out of home at about 14 years old. He was killed because he was at a party, he was dressed in female wear, and someone at the party outed him.
I don't know. And I can't change. Even if I tried, even if I wanted.